Hi, DTech, and today we have a PC cleaning. So this PC I bought from OLX in just 400 rupees. So I'm gonna clean this and see it's working or not. So let's get started video. So the system have Intel Pentium 4 because it's very old, so it's very bad condition. And besides, it's have 2 DVD writer, one CD driver and one DVD writer, and it's have a Pentium 4 and a floppy driver. And bottom USB and headphone jacks are missing, properly missing. And let's look at the back. So it's have 2 PSD ports, one serial port and one parallel port, and one VGA port, and 2 USB 2.0, one internal port, and 3 headphone jacks. And the I/O signal is missing, nothing here. And the power supply is 230 volt. This is a not a good power supply. So let's take the cover out and see what have inside. So let's take cover out. So as you can see, the cover is out. So it's pretty messed up. So you can see it's the Cooler Master Cooler. You can see here, Cooler Master Cooler. It's a very nice thing. So it's have in one RAM stick. I don't know how many it is, and some cables here. One hard drive, which is IDI drive, hard drive. One floppy drive, 2 DVD drives. One is SATA DVD. Yeah, this is a brand new one. So it's have a one SATA cable. I think the CMOS battery is dead. I have to change it, and the RAM. So it's pretty decent, but let's get started. for the first boot. So let's see it's working or not. So I put the power cable to the power supply and see it's working. 3, 2, 1, and it's working. You can see. So I'm very happy that this thing is working. So this is the video of the restoration, not restoration. I just going and put the new thermal paste and some new screw, something else, nothing special. So let's put the side panel to the PC. So this thing is work fine. So thank you for watching this video and hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is the cheapest PC in India I have buy from the OLX. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. DTech out.